Fá is an Greg Carey building contractors mar Thomas Gary Greg in Keen agus sponsor an service chud a fá crazy way first. Bí mu go as go Greg in Sivachi hartar cahar league agus content in really. The cahar na gair mar pre-cahar culture in Europe fiche agus shot spoil one unya the sponsor school the chud Keen agus sponsor cahar ó hang gaile.
Well, we found that using the Irish language has helped us to work together as part of a team. We've made all our stationery bilingual now, so in order to do that we've had to ask all the team members to work together, and each person has had to put something towards that. It's brought us all together, I suppose, and helps us to work as a team. We've also contacted EQA, who provide us with our safety and quality certificates, and I've asked them to translate both the quality and the health and safety certificate, as well as the CIF, the Construction Industry Federation. So the certificates we received from them are now in Irish, and they complimented us saying that they've never been asked this particular question before, but they are now happy to give them to other companies who request them. So they are now available for anybody else who is looking for them.